Good morning students, I welcome all of you in our next class, and today's topic is very important regarding to our syllabus and regarding to our exam. So my dear students, in our today's topic, the general thing which you do in your daily life comes under this category. Okay, so how? I give you one example. So when the exams comes very near, you all find out one thing for different subjects. What is the common thing? The common thing you find for all the subjects, that you want some good notes for all your different subjects. You think that if any teachers, if any good notes of any good teacher you may find, then you can get good marks and your percentage will be improved in that exam. Okay, so students, that is notes. Whatever you read in your exam and get the good marks, that can be considered as good notes. And you know that how these notes are prepared. These notes are prepared by your teachers or by your lecturers by reading different books, and by reading different books they note down the important points from the different books in one register or in any copy and in any computer or any other form of source. So by point down or write down the important things which they find in different books is called what? Yes, note making. So students, let's learn about our today's topic, that is note making. First of all, I want to explain the definition. So look here. Note making is an art of writing down the pieces of information in a very short and systematic way. So students, listen carefully. Note making is an art of writing down pieces of information in a very short and systematic way. So students, note making is a process. Note making is a process, a systematic process in which you write down the most important things you find in any lecture or in any book, and you have to note down in any copy or in any register. So it is an simplified as an art. It is an art to note down all the important things. So students, there in many books there are so many information. So it is a process to simplify all these large chunk of information into a simplified one. So my dear students, this is the definition of note making. After the definition, let's come to the purpose. Why we make notes? What is the purpose of making the notes? So students, let's learn one by one. My first point is to put the things in your own words. So students, sometimes you find that the lecture given by your professor or the lecture given by your teacher is considered as a very difficult. So you have to, yeah, or otherwise you want to simplify that lecture into your own words. So that's why to put the things in your own words. So this is the first point. Second point, to record the main points of an already written report. So if there is a report or any article, so you have to write down the main points, and it is in the recorded form. Whenever you want that material, you have to note down from that recorded material. So next point, it can be preserved for future. So I have already explained that it can be reserved for our future references also. My next point, when we read many books, for gaining the knowledge, we want to note down that points, because books are very big and they have lot of material, but we need to note down that important points from that book in one copy. So that's why we have many books for gaining the knowledge, and we want to note down the main points. That is the main purpose. So fifth point, to revise the main points in exams. If we prepare the notes, the important notes, so before 1 or 2 days we have to revise that points, and it should very good to prepare the notes and revise before the exam or before 1 or 2 days. So my dear students, I hope you all understand the purpose and the definition of note making. Thank you.